Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In this week's video, I'm going to be sharing this delicious and flavoursome mincemeat pasta recipe. Not only is this recipe super delicious, it's also very easy to make, so let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new content. The ingredients are listed in the description box down below. I've brought some water to the boil, but if you want this process to be quicker, you can use a kettle to help speed it up. Into this, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of salt as well as my pasta. You're going to want to give this a good stir to ensure that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Whilst the pasta is boiling, we can start making the sauce. Both should be ready around the same time. So first of all, in a pan, I'm going to fry some onions. Now that the onions are translucent, we can add in some minced garlic and fry this for 1 or 2 minutes. I'm gonna add in some minced meat now. You can use any meat that you prefer. I personally like mine to be really fine, so using my wooden spoon, I'm gonna try to break it down a bit. However, you do not have to do this if you do not want to. If you feel the need, you can add in some more oil. You need to cook this until this is completely cooked. By then the colour would have completely changed and there will no longer be a raw smell. Next, I'm going to add in the seasonings and fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, you can add in your tomato puree. I'm adding in around a tablespoon. After a further minute or 2, we're ready to add in our peppers. As you can see, I've already diced these, but you can keep these in slices or however you want. I personally prefer the peppers to be completely cooked so that they're not crunchy at all. However, if you want them to have a little bit of a crunch factor, you can cook this for less time. I'm ready to add in the sweet corn now. If you do not like these vegetables, you can add in any of your choice. I'm going to allow this to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, our pasta is now boiled, so we can remove this from the pan. Into the sauce, I'm going to add in the final ingredient, which is the passata. I'm going to allow this to simmer for a couple of minutes until it really starts bubbling. If you want your sauce to be slightly on the runnier side, you can add in around half a cup of water. However, this is optional. Now that the sauce is ready, we can add in the pasta. Give this a good stir to ensure that all of the pasta is covered in that delicious sauce. Here you are guys, here is the end result. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!